today is what kinds of sentences. You must have heard a sentence. So, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that have a subject, it has a verb, and it has an object. This is a definition of a sentence. Now, sentence has been subdivided into 5 groups, namely assertive sentence, second is interrogative sentence, then we have exclamatory sentence, then we have the imperative sentence. The fifth one, which is not always used but is in probability with assertive sentence, is a negative sentence. Now, let's break it up. Assertive sentences are all the sentences that they begin with a capital letter and they end with a full stop. Now, assertive sentences are all the answer sentences in which a claim is made. I like to play cricket. It's an assertive sentence. It doesn't ask a question. It doesn't express a feeling. It doesn't have a negative word in it. So, it's called an assertive sentence. Then we have the interrogative sentences. Now, interrogative sentences, as the word signifies by itself, interrogation means asking questions. So, it begins with a capital letter, but it ends with a question mark at the end of it. So, that shows that it's an interrogative sentence. And it has a question word in it. Now, the question word, the namely question word is, are what, where, how, when, all these, why, all these are the question words. Where have you been? Where do you belong to? Where do you live? What do you do? What is your name? So, how are you? All these are questions. Now, interrogative sentence ends with a question. Now, exclamatory sentences. Now, what are exclamatory sentences? In which feelings, sudden feelings are expressed. And usually either has an interjection used. Interjections are which ones? The sudden words. Ooh, oh, alas. All these words can be used in it. And at the end of the sentence or at the end of the interjections, an exclamation mark is used. So it shows that it's an exclamatory sentence. Now, what are imperative? Imperative actually means making a command or giving an order, making a request. All these are imperative. Please buy me a book. Please, can I borrow your pencil? All these words which have a command, shut the door, it has a command in it. So, order, bring me a cup of tea. So all these words which have a command in it, which give an order or which make a request are called imperative sentences. Now, for the last and the most commonly used one is negative sentences. What does a negative sentence mean? Anything that a person is unable to do and will not do. So, negative sentence has a non, not and none word in it. It shows that the person is unable to do some work or is not willing to do. I am not playing today. Means he's not willing, or he or she is not willing to play cricket today. So this word, whenever this word or these words are used, none of us will go on the trip. Means nobody is willing to go on the trip. So all that is a negative sentence. When the word not, none or no one, none would be used, that means it's a negative sentence. Negative sentences are usually the word most often used is not. Thank you for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Keep working hard.